Are you light to fair skin and wear transparent lace color and it absolutely matches you until you bleach the knots and then you are left with a brown rim around your head? Well, today's video I'm going to share with you my technique on how I correct this. Let's jump right into this video. Alright, so today is part 2 of my series of trying to find the perfect scalp color for anyone that is my complexion or lighter. If you missed part 1, make sure to go check out that video. I will explain more about that video later on in this video. But first we're going to apply this wig. This wig is from Wigs Hair. I will be also discussing the specs and details of this wig later in today's video. I'm just using the hard hold spray to apply this wig down. Today's video, I want to focus on trying to help anyone who has a lace wig and their scalp color is way too dark, or should I say the lace color is way too dark, and you need to lighten it up without having to waste your money, because I know what it's like. So I'm going to show you a technique in today's video that you can use to achieve a lighter scalp color. And I'm also going to share with you the best lace color that I feel like will work for anyone that is lighter than me. As for the curls, I'm using my T3 wand curler, and I absolutely love this curler. And I'm just applying curls throughout the hair, and yeah, that's basically how I achieve the curls. So I'm gonna finish this out and then we're going to jump into this video. Did not see my previous video, let me just catch you up a little bit. I get lots of questions, ladies who are my complexion or lighter, wanting to know, when I go to apply my wigs, the lace color is always too dark, not in the range of my actual scalp color. So right now I am on a mission to find the perfect technique that I can use to achieve a color that is suitable for anyone that's my complexion or lighter, because our scalps are not brown. So if you don't know the process, when you bleach the knots, normally the knots will work just like hair color from black to blonde. So that's the same process when it comes to bleaching knots on wigs to try to achieve the color of the scalp. Today's hair comes from Wigs Hair. It's the loose deep wave. It is a 13x4 lace front cap, and it is 180% density, so you get a lot of hair on this wig. So it's very, very thick, very dense. I do love the natural wave pattern, however I just wanted to enhance it, so I did add these curls. And the lace color is transparent lace, which I feel like works really, really well for anyone who is lighter than me, because a lot of times when I wear transparent, it's always a little bit too light on me. So let me just be clear about this right now. When I'm referring to the word transparent, I am not talking about how undetectable the lace is. I'm talking about the actual color of the lace. If you're looking for the invisible lace, this lace is not that. This is transparent, regular lace. And like I said, transparent refers to the color of the lace, not the actual visibility of the lace. I will be sure to put this wig down in the description box for you guys. If you are interested, check the description box. I want to show you guys exactly, I want to show you all exactly how I achieved the scalp color, because it is a bit different and I'm actually trying out something new. I'm more so in the light brown range when it comes to lace colors, but I want you guys to see how unorangey the knots look right now. If you are lighter than me and you feel like that the light brown lace color is too dark for you, this method here will definitely work for you in helping you change that lace color, and also I just feel like transparent lace colors are more suitable for anyone who is lighter than me if you have problems finding that color. So I'm gonna show you all exactly what I did to change the scalp color. All right, let's jump right into the tutorial. This is what the transparent lace color looks like. It has a whitish tint to it, and this is why I say that it is more suitable for anyone that is lighter. However, if you are darker and you want to customize your own lace color, then this could work as a base for you to change if you know how to do that. Now, as you can see, the knots that are bleached are giving off a brownish tint. So even after you bleach the knots, it's going to make the lace appear that it's brown, but actually the knots on the lace is the color that you're seeing. So therefore it can be all off. So I found these L'Oreal Magic Root Touch-Ups, and I decided to try this out to see if I can not only change the lace color, but if you need to bleach the knots, can this also help to make everything even in color, the lace and the knots. So I'm going to use this lightest color, which is the light medium blonde, and I'm going to use that to see if it can help. Now it does come with this applicators, but it's very detailed, so I feel like you can hit the spots that you want. Right now I'm just going to spray the inside of the cap, and as you can see, it is changing the color and making it lighter around the brown area so that the lace and also the knots can be one color. Now these do come in different colors. As you've seen, I have two colors because I was kind of testing these out just to see which one I wanted, and when I tried the dark blonde, it was way too dark. So do not use the dark blonde if you are looking to get a lighter scalp color. Once you apply it to the inside of the cap, of course you want to let it dry for 1 minute. I took my blow dryer to it to speed up the process. Now you will have to do a second step, so just wait a second before you decide to click out this video and think you're done. All right, so once that's done, just turn your wig back to the right side, and then we're going to take that spray and add it in the parting, because sometimes the spray won't seep through onto the hair, and if you over bleach, sometimes you can get spill outs on the hair. So if you have any of that, you can use that to correct it, and then if you get some on the hair, you can kind of go back with a little bit of mascara to get the roots of the hair. But as you can see, it looks so good compared to what it was looking like. There's really no brown spots, and I absolutely love that. Another thing I like about this L'Oreal color is it is temporary, and the smell is not intense at all. It actually has no smell. But I think this looks so much better when it comes to changing the lace color. I do feel like I need to play with it a little bit more. However, I am loving the results from this. So if you love the results, definitely drop me a comment and let me know if you're going to try this out. And I believe that this will also work for anyone who is darker, and if you need to change the lace color, I think this will work for that too. But I've only tested out these two colors. However, I'm definitely going to play with this a little bit more and see what I can achieve, because a lot of times bleaching the knots, trying to get them to that lighter color, can cause you to have more shedding with your wigs, and you definitely don't want that. And then foundations, I mean, while they work, sometimes they can be a bit messy. This hair color, this temporary hair color root touch up, is not messy at all, and that's the one thing I do appreciate about it. All right, so let me know what you think about this hair. I absolutely love the way everything turned out. I will put everything in the description box, so make sure to check there if you are looking for discounts, products, all that good stuff. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you back in my next video.